Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to use conditional column transformation to create new columns by using different conditions in DataFlow Gen2 in Microsoft Fabric. So here is my lakehouse, and in the lakehouse, we have a staging folder, and inside the staging folder, we have customer sample with some duplicate data in that file. So if you see here, we have customer ID, first name, last name, and region, country, and some other columns here. What I would like to do, I would like to read this information and then apply conditional transformation to create new columns out of this data. So let's go to workspace here, go to new items here, and then select DataFlow Gen2. Now just provide the name. So we say df conditional column, and then hit create. And now we will be good to go and read the file from our file. Let's click on the get data here and click on more, and now we'll be view more, and then we'll select Microsoft Fabric. Then click on the lakehouse, and here you will be creating a new connection. You will be providing a name of the connection and then a counter that has permission to the lakehouse. Here I already have that connection created, so I'm going to use that one, and you will hit next. So here you will see the workspaces. We have a workspace called sales workspace. Then it's going to show you all those lake houses that you have in that workspace. Now tech browser lake house is right there, and I'm going to click on files, and then I will be selecting the staging folder. In this staging folder, I have this sample query data right here. So customer sample data, I'm going to create new and use this file. So here our data is ready inside the data flow, and now you see that the first row is a header column, but it's shown as a row. So I'm going to click right here and say add use the first row as header. That will format our data in a very nice format where we will have our headers and then the data. So now think about that. I have this data called region, and this has North America, Europe, Asia, Middle East, and those are 3-4 different regions I have. If I would like to create the region code column, I can use some conditional column transformation here. So go to the add column here, and here you will go to the conditional column. Click right here, and I'm going to call this one region code. And here I will select the column on which I would like to apply the transformation, and that's going to be my region. So here there are different operators depending upon the column type. So here we have a string type or text type column. It has equal, does not equal, begins with, and there are a lot of other different operators available. So I'm going to go for equals and say look for North America. So if you find North America, then give me the code called NA. And then I'm going to add another clause here. I will go to the region again, and now I say equal, and if you have Europe, then give me the EU, and then I'm looking for another one and say in the region, if you have let's say equal to Asia, and then give me AS. So and the rest of that, if you find any other region values, I don't care, I will just consider them into others, or just whatever the name you want to give that, give to the region. Maybe C, give OR, no, not O, maybe other region, okay, or NA. That will be more applicable. So whatever the if this does not fit in this criteria, you can provide another, so that's fine. Now we are all good here, and you can see right here. So this is like if else statement. So if region code is equal to North America NA, then if Europe, then EU, then if Asia, then this, and if else, if it is not matching with those criteria, then we have NA. So see here for Middle East, I have NA here. So you could have changed according to the values. Now it is your choice of how you deal with this. Now think about that. We have sale account, sale amount here, and would like to add the sale tier for this amount. So in this case, what we are going to do, we are going to go to the conditional column, and here we will say sales tier. And now we are saying sale amount equals, so let's say if it is greater than or equal to 1000 value. So in this case, what I would like to say, this is a high tier for my sale. Now if I can go ahead and add another one, and the sale amount greater than or equal to 500, then I'm going to go ahead and say that medium, and then the last one I will say low, and if does not fit into this criteria. So you see that we have if, then we have else if, then we have else if, so we can keep adding those, and then at the end you have else. So this is how it will work. So here I can delete as well if the condition I don't need it. Now here I will hit OK, and now you will see that the sales to your column is added, and the it is going to show you the values according to the calculation. So we have sale amount here 1500, and it is above than 1000, so we have high. So we have 950, that's greater than 500 but less than 1000, so we are showing medium, and then we have high and medium values here. We don't have anything that qualifies for the low criteria. So this is how you will add a conditional column in the DataFlow Gen2. And finally, you have destination here. So you can go ahead and say add destination here. You can write the data lakehouse, warehouse, SQL database, or SharePoint. So there are many destinations that you have available in here, and you can write the data. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.